this video you will find out how to start up your new WMF1100s. Switch the machine on at the right-hand side of the display. Your WMF1100s will guide you automatically through the initial startup. The first step is to set the language using the wheel on the touch display and confirm your selection. Following language selection, please check the date and time and adjust these if necessary. After taking care of the basic settings, it's time to fill the product hoppers. A little tip: only add as many beans as you will actually use each day. Your WMF1100s is also fitted with a powder hopper or a second bean hopper. These should also likewise be filled at this point. The hardness of the water used is important for the quality of your coffee. Ask the water company responsible for your supply about the carbonate hardness. Search for this online or measure the water hardness using the test kit supplied, as shown here. In our case, the value is 10. If the carbonate hardness is above 5 degrees of general hardness, we recommend using a water filter. Press Yes to confirm use of the water filter. Lift the water tank out of the machine. Remove the accessories included in the tank. To insert the water filter, first remove the safety cap. You can now place the filter adapter on the tank and lock it in place. Next, plug the supplied water filter onto the filter adapter. The carbonate hardness determines the capacity of the water filter. You can find this in the user manual supplied. You can now fill the water tank and place it back in the machine. The machine will now restart. If your coffee machine is fitted with a fully automatic milk system, remove the click and clean adapter from the hot water spout and place this on the milk container. Please take care not to kink the milk hose as you do this. After the restart is complete, you can enjoy the first coffee from your new WMF1100s.